Hello. I'm going to start the streaming until the other ones come.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello, mate.
Yeah, bro.
My my British accent
yeah,
isn't Britishing.
yeah, I'm feeling better, like
Hello,
50%
everyone.
better. The meds has definitely helped out for sure.
What happened, man?
I woke up yesterday sick as hell.
Like a flu or what?
Yeah, the flu, like my nose, like congestion and stuff. I couldn't breathe. That was like the most shittiest part. Like I'm out of breath talking right now.
Yeah, man. That's there is a saying in Romania that only smart people get sick in the summertime.
It's like I feel like it's like I get sick like once a year is like how it works out right now.
Yeah, me
But
too. But usually in autumn or spring, not in the summer.
it's bullshit because I got a big ass party I got tomorrow. I was
Wow.
like, no, I don't want to be sick for the party, man.
I'm looking at this reaction right now. This little buyback after the NFP numbers came.
What's going on, boys? You right?
Hey, mate.
How you doing? You right?
Yeah,
Good day,
bro.
mate. Merhaba. You're still Turkish, right?
Yeah, mate. What does that mean?
Means good morning, man.
Oh, good morning to you too.
No, actually, it means I think good day, but it's like a
Makes no
salute.
sense. 4:10 here. Feels weird doing the stream so late.
I'm trying to figure out what BTC really bounced off of. Is it bounce off of
Nothing.
like a 15-minute range level? I think that's what it is. 15-minute range level.
Daily open.
Daily open and also the value area low. Got it.
I have
Got it.
no points of control from here on
Whoa.
Coinbase. Only lower into 107, but
No, if you look at the 15 and you pull fixed range on your profile, you get a value area low at 108,834. And if you look at lower time frame at that level, it works out. You can see it hold pretty well. What we're rejecting off of right now actually is the range of the
yeah.
15-minute. It's like it's pretty good with fixed range volume profile when we are ranging on lower time frames. I think it works out pretty well. Oh.
Yeah, the low is what was in today's morning, previous week high, close to 108.5. Maybe we just bounce from here. I don't know.
Oh, I think you pulled your range a little bit too deep. Go over like one more candle. Yeah, that'll be perfect.
Anyways,
That's perfect.
okay.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm
Still a
not.
little, still a little
I'm
weaker.
not interested here. Really, I don't know about you guys, but I
What
have.
about flipping it though? What about flipping
Yeah,
1095?
of course.
Yeah,
Then
yeah. Flip 105, 1095. Flip it. We can go 111.
Yeah, I like
that's
that.
my. That's the area where I would be very cautious. The 111. This 12-hour supply equal highs. The point of control. Yeah, I I would be a little bit cautious here at 111.
I got pretty lucky with mooding this morning, didn't I?
I saw, man. That was a nice gift from the Koreans for you.
Yeah, that was a very nice gift.
Yeah,
We'll
I
take it.
thought I thought Mudeng was already there. I don't know why, because it had those massive pumps in the beginning.
Yeah, I'm sure.
President.
I don't really look it up bit, to be honest.
But it's good
Yeah,
to
we'll take it. Got to be in it to win it.
To win it.
I don't know, man. I have not. I don't have any high win rate type of setup unless we pull back deeper. So for me, it's 107.5 to 106.8 for our trend this year. This is all I have, or higher, as you guys said. But
Yeah.
Yeah, I like
I don't know.
that.
I don't know anything else other than this for now. It's the same kind of setup that happened on in the 105 pullback. Same logic. Basically, you get an impulsive move like this, and you're looking somewhere where you're still in the discounted area. Okay, this was a little bit easier because you were in a range, and this was the big point of control of the range. So 105 was very good. As a point of interest now, basically it's just somewhere between here. For me, more aggressive entry would be these lows. Pocky said about this range. I don't know. This would be something with like an aggressive, a tight stop loss, maybe like I don't know, something like this, and then go for 111, maybe even tighter. I don't know. Basically taking out that low at 108.6, but still holding the H1 trend and H1 green support trend line. This would be the earliest I would long. Going to put some.
Let's see if we played a flip. What's the RR on this though? If you used a low.
This low that we put in. This is my
Yeah.
issue now. If we're looking at 111, just to be realistic, I was looking at this all morning, like thinking, okay, how can I position in alts? Like I cannot personally. I think we might break out, but I cannot. I cannot. How can I say? Put a whole strategy where I'm so bullish into range highs into 111 that we will break out, because I'm better off just waiting for that breakout to happen, because if that breakout happens, the expansion will lead to another leg.
Yeah,
So
Right.
so I cannot personally I cannot be bullish here into resistance. I can be bullish up into that 111 because you have a lot of liquidity, equal highs, supply, and so on. So, like you said, Pocky, if you take the flip of 109.5, where would you invalidate? You would invalidate under this low that was formed now.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
now, yeah. But the RR is still not that great. And
And
if we look at previous summer PA when we're like this, it's a lot of like I think I don't know, it's a lot of fucking like traps and baits.
yeah, yeah,
Um
exactly like how it happened with 105. Like all
the
of this here.
volume is just not supporting the price. I mean, I guess it could just be all institutions buying, but it's not a lot of volume on this up move. I'm getting a lot of like reversal signals. I mean, fuck, dude, there's a monthly bearish divergence right now.
did I see that the ECF inflows were the biggest they've ever been? Did I read that?
Yeah, I mean,
I
they're
can
trying to break it out. I mean, that's
let me look at far side. Let's pull up the last weeks.
yeah, there's a monthly monthly or weekly bearish divergence or something like that. I'm fucking around with those. Like I don't. If you look back, they're not really that great. I mean, BTC could still go like hundreds of percent, and it still be a bearish divergence. It's kind of funny.
So let's see. These are millions. So we take the last 2 weeks, 16th of June, 400 mil, 600 mil, 1 billion. Here you have another 1.5 billion, another half a million. 3 billion, and then you had on the 1st of July the pullback day. Yeah, you had the 300 million. So basically, on the 1st of July, the 105k pullback, you had the first negative 300 something million day in the last 2 weeks, which is crazy when you think about it.
Yeah, that's mad.
I mean, you had 13 days of just being bought up, and then again 400 million yesterday, which pushed the price even higher. Uh, it's really interesting when you think about it that like almost 4 billion couldn't push the price to 110, and then we had the 400 million one that pushed it yesterday after the dump. So probably a lot of people got short squeezed in this move up in the last 24 hours. But yeah, they're buying. I mean,
Someone's sitting there.
Yeah. Yeah, but somebody's selling it to them, and that's not institutions that sell it to 'em, it's the
yeah,
Bitcoin gatekeepers. It's
yeah,
the retail that's been holding forever. Who I personally think, long term big holders. Those are the ones that are just under the radar. Nobody pays attention to, and they're the ones that hold more BTC than combine those individuals. Than these ETFs. You also have miners.
yeah.
Um,
Miners. There was. I forgot what was the name of the website that was tracking the miners. The the like the big wallets that are linked to the mining companies and so on, like the Asian miners and so on. Because in the past years, the biggest pressure came from when the miners started selling because they had so much. But again, then you didn't have the ETFs that were buying, so maybe that's why we see a little bit more of an absorption overall, and not you don't get those very big dips like we had in the past in panic times. Uh, I I have I don't know. I mean,
I don't want to sound
actually,
like a bear though. I mean, we're
yeah,
literally at our last levels of rejection resistance for new all time highs. We play these in for shorts. I mean, there's no reason not to. Your invalidation's really fucking easy when we only have one or two levels of rejection. I mean, it's
correct.
fucking people would rather short when coins could fucking rip 100% when really, I mean, our short right now, how big is this? Like it's not that crazy. It's 1.4% area to
Yeah,
short. I mean,
yeah,
to catch a top in a 1.4% area is not it's not that bad. It's not that. It's not I mean, your risk reward is fucking amazing.
yeah. You would go for like a 10R or something like that because if this is
Yeah,
the top,
definitely. I mean, sub 100 is your
you go
TP.
or at least 100 to like the value area low of the range. What is this?
Yeah.
If you do something like this, like a 5R or at 100, you would be like a 7R with the 1.4% stop
Yeah,
loss.
and that's the only thing I'm looking at. And then any bull is going to be like, yeah, but what about longing out using the low as invalidation and target like 155? I mean, now we're talking price discovery with fib extensions. If anything, if that's how bullish you are, then you should already be long from
Yeah,
100K,
from
97K,
yesterday or from, yeah,
77K.
yeah, correct, correct. As we see, this flip is a little bit hard to long into 111. It's like a 1.5 hour trade.
Yeah, the RR on that
And
is garbage. The best I could see is like 170, 1.7. So almost 2R. Um RSI is really not helping us at all on any of these trades right now. Even on the dump, we didn't get any, not even a 1 minute bullish divergence on the dump. Because
uh,
I was looking at it, it went into the GP. If you pull on the 15 from the low of the range, and then you pull to the high, you get a perfect GP play.
let's see on the low of the range from
No, just the 15. Just the 15-minute.
Ah, 15 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, just this morning. Pull from that low to the high. Look, it's like literally perfect. Boom. There you go. I was gonna play it. I was gonna mark it in on the challenge with a 1 minute div that we didn't even get. I was like, fucking kidding me?
John long the 100 under 109. I see.
Oh, so he's the reason why we didn't get a 1 minute. Bullish divergence.
No, I think this was the NFP numbers coming out, and people got caught a bit offside there. But not no like when you look at it, these are the long liquidations from the NFP numbers in this little what is it 1% dump, and when you compare with the aggressiveness of the bear liquidations that we had from earlier this morning, it's still people trying to short. Now, there's nothing wrong trying to short 111,
No,
but
I'm gonna try that too. I just need the RSI to
yeah,
go in
just
for my edge.
don't blindly short, or at least you can hedge short if you have spot bags and so on. That's nothing
Exactly.
wrong. That's
Yeah.
actually a very good idea. Let's say you have some spot bags that you bought this week, and we're approaching 111, and you want to hedge short at least. It's okay, but don't be like full net short in these situations, because if there is a breakout, it will be very aggressive. And we have seen like what happens with altcoins. Just be careful, have your stop loss. Be careful if you're using cross margin
Oh yeah, fuck
and
yeah. Be
stuff like
very,
that.
very careful.
Just be careful, have your stops in place and so on, because you never know.
Or
Don't
quick
Fucking
close.
oversize.
just going crazy. Everything rips, and we just long everything. That's what I want.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you don't even just whatever you think, just long if it breaks
Yeah,
out,
Full
that's what.
port.
That's
Full
what I
or at
port
want.
10x.
least
For
or
full
at
port
least
10x.
wait. I mean, wait for if you see like a 15-minute pullback like we had this morning. Usually these 15-minute ranges they come into play even in price discovery.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you
I mean,
can,
really, that's all we can use until new
yeah.
POCs are printed is ranges and fib extensions.
And I think for the majority, 15-minute is the way to go on Bitcoin in these ranges, because sometimes you don't get the 1 hour pullback. Like for example, in this whole move up, you didn't get a 1 hour pullback, uh, but you formed the range here. You formed this little range here. Well, it's not actually a range. It's more like a. Yesterday at 107, I was I was looking at it, but I was long hype already, and I said I'm just going to hold my longs.
That was a flip of the value area high, I think, of the
Yeah,
big 4 hour range, to be honest with you.
yeah, yeah.
That's what we rejected off of quite a bit and then finally flipped it.
So
Um,
if we're looking at that, let's say maybe you don't get the 107 or under, but that value area high that was flipped, so 108 to 107.8, let's say this should this should hold somewhere between here and 106.5, basically. If you want to for a breakout, from my point of view, if you want to have like some kind of long exposure, easy invalidation for a breakout, and you're targeting, I don't know, 120 or mouse, what do you think?
I like it. I like it. I just hope we just go up and I just chase it. It's just easier for me where I'm on holiday. If I was
You're
at
still you
home, yeah,
you didn't get lucky, man. We
I'm
dropped.
just keep sending it up, and I'll just chase it with the breakouts. Then when I get home, we can pull back and I can get some reversals. But yeah, I'm up for it just going up and just chasing it. I want Pengu on a 5 minute flip a little higher. It looks like it could juice.
Pengu, we had in the group I saw a lot of Pengu trades from
I
this
want
morning.
I want C actually. Funding's negative on C. We're approaching some levels of the 15-minute bullish divergence. I really like C. Hopefully, we can get that.
Let's look at it. Which coin?
I'll call
C?
this. Yeah, SEI. I'm gonna call this on the challenge if I can get this divergence, and
Yes.
hopefully,
Okay.
we're looking at like a 4R on this motherfucker. Yeah, let's get back. I need to get back and fit in this bitch.
Let's look at these two. Let's look at Penguin and this Say. Say it's pumping every time we have a V reversal. Lately, I don't know why, but
Yeah, I think I
so
really would like this one.
where are we looking at?
2710.
Okay, so
You're missing. I think yeah. Here, let me see what level you're missing. It's a fresh daily. Um, it's a
doesn't
Bybit
Bybit.
perp. Yeah, Bybit perp level.
Okay, I'm not looking at Bybit, only Binance, but yeah, it's this low, and if you say you have one here, it's and you would execute this on a 1 minute div or just
Oh, you have a 15 forming right now. Dump on New York Open. That's a good question. That we'll see in 1 minute.
yeah, 1 minute. I mean,
We'll
we're
see
here.
right now. Actually, here we go. Buyers,
Yeah,
sellers.
Coinbase was buying a bit.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, there we go.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Bryce, we need to flip 109 109 5 first though before we get like horny or anything.
Yeah, Coinbase buying spot, Binance a bit. Usually, for the past days, once US opens, Coinbase instantly starts buying on spot. I mean,
what side spot flex? Left or right?
left here.
Left.
Moment of truth. Here we
Yeah, it's
go.
going, it's going, it's going.
Here we go. It needs to flip here. If not, if it's a bearish retest, then we're probably gonna go to 107.7.
Right. What we chasing?
Yeah, we probably might have to. C is getting front ran. Shouldn't have said anything on stream until we got there. Fuck. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, yeah, it's going, it's going. Basically, you're back at where the price was at
Before data came
before
out.
the yeah
Just needs to
before.
close above it. Just needs to close above it, man.
So from here on, let's see. We're back at the pre-data price.
So far, I've got Hype, Mog, and Pengu that I'm looking to chase if we pump up.
Yo, here's something crazy. I'm looking at that new coin frag. It's at like all time lows. I'm gonna try. I want to try to catch a bottom on it and fucking ride this shit out like crazy.
That was this week, right? Was
Yeah,
listed
yeah,
this
yeah,
week.
yeah. It's literally at all time lows right now. I'm by it.
Pengu yesterday that move into 13.7 was actually crazy. On Pengu here, this drop just came out of nowhere with a good buyback.
Yeah, it's been pretty strong.
If we get something like that into into 14 or close to 14.7 maybe, but it needs to look similar to what happened yesterday. Like be aggressive with a good buying tail here. Basically, long liquidations. Funding still negative. Slightly, yeah. All eyes on Pengu, man. It's it's one of the most traded coins in the last week. Big volume.
Yeah,
Gives dumps and gives pumps also. So it's pretty volatile with big volume, which is what you want
I
to
prefer
have
the pump,
actually.
not the
I,
dumps.
I prefer the dumps too long, but we might not get any gifts
Yeah,
anymore.
yeah. I think we already had those opportunities.
We got more coming.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
of
of
course.
course.
I'm talking about like that the 105 that we waited for a fucking
Oh,
week after that
Yeah, yeah,
brutal range,
yeah.
and then I got
yeah.
stop break even on it though.
That was truly a gift there. Wow, man, it's continuing.
Yeah, we're pretty much we got what do we got? 9 minutes, 11 minutes for a 15-minute closure above. 1 minute for a 5 minute closure above. Yeah, I mean it's looking pretty good. RSI is really not saying there's any type of reversals. 111. That's what I'm looking at.
Partcoin really strong in the last 12 hours. Was looking for maybe deeper into 1.1, but that will not come if Bitcoin continues its push here. What I don't really want to, because even if we will get something similar to this, if people continue top longing altcoins, you will get pullbacks on altcoins. On Bitcoin, I don't know, but on altcoins, you will get pullbacks because
Yeah, I would really like to see the fill.
how much is it up? 1%. You can still get that fill.
Hoping. We got Wickless 15.
I can chase from here, man. And
Here we go.
I
Yeah,
want.
BTC's fucking flipping this, man. This is gonna be great.
What would the invalidation be here? 1%.
It's pretty wide. I mean, I would still want 27.10 though.
27.10, and your stop loss would be.
26.33, give or take.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
Okay.
manual. It'll be a manual. My invalidation really is a 15-minute RSI 26.33. Um, I'm not. I mean, I guess you'd call. I don't know what you'd call a swing. I don't know how long it would take, but I'm looking for like 11% move on it.
That's a scalp for
Okay.
you, ain't it? 11%.
Yeah. 11%'s like baby shit.
You could try. Oh man, we need to chase. I think.
I'm searching. I'm
Oh
flicking
man,
nuts.
if I chase and I get stopped out after not getting stopped whole month in a call, I'm going just to lose it. I hate chasing, but I
You got
think
to be in it to win it. Flex. Got to be in it to win it.
yeah, we're at 110.
Wow.
Wow, indeed.
Yep. Here
Let me
we
see.
fucking go, baby.
Let me see if we can get something on Fartcoin.
Man, I'm flicking through these alts.
106.9. Pengu.
I don't think we're gonna get. You know what? Fuck it. I'll short. I'm gonna short SCI.
Yeah,
I'm gonna short it to long it. Fuck it.
yeah. Maybe that's not enough. Oh, fuck me. I've lost my what's it called at the bottom? The crypto screener in TradingView. Mine's disappeared, so I can't refresh my watch list. I don't know where it's gone.
I don't know how to help you, sir.
Is yours gone as well? Is it still there? I've lost your stream at the minute.
I don't. Where is that? I don't even use that. Where is it on TradingView?
At the bottom next to the trading panel, replay trading, bottom left. Let me close the stream and reopen it. It's lagging out.
Bottom left.
Yeah, no, yours has disappeared as well. It's next to the trading panel at the bottom.
Say hi right here. No.
And there's a new screener. How do you access it?
I don't
God.
remember, man.
Oh no, that's annoying. I use that a lot. It's not good.
Let's see. Rejection or not, or what's going on here, man?
Right. Screeners. Oh yeah, nice. Thank you.
Did you find it? Let's see. Screeners.
Yeah, moved on the
Man,
right.
you said left. We were looking at the left. Yeah, it's here. It's here. What do you want to screen here, mouse?
I was just going to update my watch list. It's all changed. I don't know.
Crypto coins screener.
Yeah, and you can change all the settings.
And what filters are you using, or what do you want to?
Bybit perp, USDT, volume over 8 mil. And that's how I get my watch. That's it.
Volume
Yeah, manual.
from you put 0 or you just put to 8 million.
From 8 million.
From 8 million to doesn't matter.
Now max it out. And then category would be perp.
Yeah, so you don't look at.
We gotta close above, man. We have to close above.
Maybe that's not it. It's all changed.
Oh man, yeah, I think it. I don't remember this. So
Yeah.
category is not perp. It seems that it's like the
Yeah.
actual like asset back stable coins, whatever analytics algorithm stable coins, insurance. What? Tourism. Okay.
I'm still setting in a virtual one. I feel like it wants to rip, but it's not quite ripping for me yet.
You didn't get stopped out at entry.
Nah, it
Then
pumps
it's good.
10% for me. I'm still
Uh,
6% up.
Virtual usually was pumping really good with the fart coin, or at least like when we were risk on. So you might get that pump. I don't know what's happening with them lately.
With
As
what?
in,
Virtual?
yeah, like the platform itself. What are they doing? I haven't
Honestly,
monitored it.
I don't really look at that stuff. I just look at the 5-minute chart and try and break it out.
All right, we're holding. Let's go.
Oh man, I can't really find anything that on a long
A lot
right
of
here.
spot buying, man. A lot of spot buying.
Let's fucking go, guys.
Let's see what happened. Woods is filling some shorts or what? I don't understand. Let's see. Tareeq's ETH short got stopped at entry.
Well, pussy.
He was actually in profit for like this morning.
Yeah, see him move break even. Maybe I have to get something on flop. The volume sucks on it. It's 5 mil.
Oh man.
Yeah. Let's skip it.
Pengu doesn't really do anything now, which is weird. Yeah, I think Woods had a ETH limit for a short, and he got filled.
Yeah, I'm waiting on that. That's what I really want right now. I don't know why. I don't know why. I have tunnel vision on this damn coin.
Oh wow, look at ETH. ETH's ripping.
Damn, yeah, 7% up for the
Whoa.
last 24 hours. Pepe too.
It's coming into value at a high though, and the POC's ETH. If ETH can flip here, then I think we can get a pump to 27.50.
Let's look at ETH. Yeah, okay. So my idea was maybe we get like a 2400 or under like a pullback for a higher low. But if this continues as you said, it
We're
means
about to
this
get
was
a
the
15-minute closure above 1095 in 1 minute here. Might be able to, yeah, here we go. We might be able to see a bullish retest
Oh my god.
that long that we were talking about.
man. Why is ETH stronger than Bitcoin now? You want to long this, Pocky?
Pretty much. So I'm looking at now. Wow. Might not even get it.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Here we go.
Pengu not doing anything, man. This is weird. On the 5 minute, it's just sitting there. They've just longed Fartcoin.
Who's long Fartcoin?
No, I said I should have just long Fartcoin with Bitcoin getting bid up, but I don't know. This $1.2 area, I would have liked a little bit lower. At least 1.16 or 1.15 or 1.1 or. Let's see. We're selling spot Bitstamp, Binance a bit. You might get your say, Pocky. Might get it. Let me just look at Pengu a bit. Maybe we get some kind of pullback, small pullback here too, and Pengu will drop like yesterday, and then can get a wick fill somewhere. Let me put some alerts here. Can't even. So I'm setting alerts into 0139 from 0141 on Pengu.
What price? 149.
0141.
141.
Yeah, so weekly open,
Yeah, I see.
monthly tap, 2 week tap. Basically, I wouldn't like to see this low get. Maybe you can get it taken out, but yesterday's low.
ETH is strong right now.
Oh man, Farcoin and the others are going also, man. Fuck.
What's BTC doing? Strong as well.
Just don't be net short, guys. Just don't be net short. If you hedge, very good. But when you see this kind of buying consistently for days from Coinbase, just look at this bearish liquidation. Big ones again at over at OKX. Some at Bybit.
He's hype coming for me or what? Oh, yeah, she's trying. I know he. Oh, he's off.
SPX stuff. Alan, let's look at SPX. SPX was strong lately, but um, 595 Mike, the levels are. We just post this, but I'm not leaving limits yet. I don't think we'll get this kind of a pullback, but I'm going to post in the chat. Here we go.
Oh yeah, frags moving. Let's go.
On a side note, Kiyotaka platform, they put the trade and liquidation stream, basically something like similar to the AGGR. Monitor all trades and liquidations from all exchanges in real time, which is good. Let's see if we can get it here to see who gets liquidated in real time. Wow, man.
Hype's coming.
I'm still long, man.
Well, oh yeah, you are long on hype. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
I see that.
I still one account is still going. The others I TP'd more aggressively.
We're about to
But
have a
I'm
1 in a 5 minute confirmation. The short 111.
it's crazy, man. Like and there are some sells also coming in from spot, but it's just the buys were overwhelming people in this US Open. Yeah, we might get that short area. I could see something like I'm shorting it for the first time in a while, and then we break out and I just get stopped instantly. Yeah, Mouse, look at SPX. Alan asked, I think. He wants to long SPX. This is something very similar to, let's get on the 5 minutes, to the strategy. Oh man.
I'm just typing hype out in case I have to call it quickly. I'll take a look.
Oh, what's
Type it, man.
dominance like right now? Let me take a look at that real quick.
Dominance 65. Actually, it's
Wow.
down.
Yeah, that's surprising. Hmm. On a good note, the actual volume now is supporting this up move. So
Yeah, there's nice volume coming in.
it's not as big as a fake out as I was thinking it was. Now that now that the volume is like, yeah, this ain't a fake out. We're about to fucking send it.
Also looking at SPX.
Let me see, where is my SPX here? Man, that 1.1 area held pretty good 2 times. $1.1.
Prefer a flip. I don't know where you're looking. A little bit higher, around 142.
Let's put it here for Alan, 142. This is still resistance though here. This would be the third try into 136 to 142.
Yeah, rather a flip up there rather than where we are.
Daily. It's this is the daily, but when you see like this is the daily supply zone into 146. But it's grinding into it, so I wouldn't short necessarily. You could have shorted like the first try. Let's say something like this if you really wanted, but I wouldn't short. But it's still daily supply.
Yeah.
Until
Damn, are we
proven
really not gonna
otherwise.
get SEI long? Oh, man, it looks so good. Fuck.
You can long it and just put your stop loss there at 266.
I play POCs. If anything, I might short it.
My MOG alert has just popped again. Oh, fucking hell. What's going on
Is
here?
it going because if ETH is strong, MOG usually pushes with ETH?
Oh, the invalidation on it's so shit now.
Whoa, man, yeah, it's shit now. Like, where's your stop loss? Minus 6%,
Yeah.
minus 7.
Yeah, 7.73%.
Whoa, it's just up only, man.
Yeah, it's repping. Come on, give me a little rejection for an invalidation. We can't be playing 8% starts, that sucks.
Yeah, it's getting beat up, but
There's nice volume coming in on it as well.
oh man, I know I should have logged this fart coin, man. Oh, fucking bullshit. Yeah, it's up like above 3%. I could have just put stops at entry and in sync with Bitcoin open. I just got open interest alerts on MOG from Binance.
Interesting.
Let's quickly look at what was that? Was that a short liquidation on that open interest spike or not on it? How is it? 10,000 MOG? No,
I think there's a 7 zeros on. Yeah, 7 zeros.
Binance. Oh, that's 7 zeros. 4, 5, 6, 7. No man, something's not good.
Try MOG again. I think those all coming up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 6, 1 million.
Oh, my bad. I don't have my
Yeah,
glasses on. Oh, my hyper.
you're getting old, mate.
I am 30 in September.
It's all downhill from there, man.
Jeez.
It's all downhill. I needed glasses, but for like for distance from the age of 25, I think my eyes started to go because of the screen time.
Yeah, me
Uh,
too. I've got my glasses on me 2 minutes in my bag. Oh, fuck MOG. Come on, give me
30
some
minute on SPX. What, bearish? Yeah, there's a bearish printing right now.
Man, Mog is really pushing here for whoa.
You know what? I'm not. Fuck. All right, fuck it. I'm gonna keep it open.
What are you keeping open, Pocky?
The SEI short. Oh man, fuck. Shit, like what am I doing? I think I'm playing with fire, but you know what? I'm just playing a TAF, take a loss on a C2R. Fuck it. It's 0.5%. It's not that big of a deal.
What's the top long on Mog mouse?
I really want to long it. It's
No,
not
they
as good.
started short liquidating now.
Wait, you guys
Nothing.
just long SEI? Oh my goodness.
I didn't.
Are
I
we
didn't.
counter trading each other, man? What the fuck? Oh,
Well,
okay. I was about to say I'm short. I'm short. It looks like Norman shorted it too. Pray for us.
Yeah, mine are reading glasses, but I think they've got like blue light in them as well. I think. I don't actually know.
You mean blue lens?
Yeah, but they're not like the coloured ones. They're like they look normal. Apparently
Yeah,
they've got like
Mine are like that too.
yeah.
It would have been cool if the meta glasses would have been able to have the blue in it, but it wasn't an option.
I can't believe Mog's gonna do this to me.
There's no way BTC's not gonna tap 111.
imagine if it just dumps from here.
Volume's still going up though, but it
Yeah,
does
it
look
is.
like
It is.
some perps front running the POC. Okay,
I've got the
moving on the
close.
edge. Whoa! Lots of volume coming in on SEI. Let's see.
I know it's gonna rip.
Yeah, here we go. Come on, SEI, fucking dump 2710. Fill our lungs.
Altcoin.
Was a long's Mog? No way.
No.
What just then?
What?
Apparently
Was a long did.
he's listening. He's listening to us.
He did long. There you go. You have the long there. If you want to join him. Too wide invalidation for me, but
Yeah.
if you can, I mean, if you want to play something like this, like 1.05 from here, it's 6% even that one. For example, in this situation, I don't. When you see things are pushing, like Mog is pushing and Pengu is going down, is bleeding. Usually, it leads to, if we pull back, Pengu will just pull back even more aggressive than the others, as it's losing strength while the others are getting stronger.
They got this new law coming out here in Florida for speeders. Mandatory 30 days jail, first offense.
Wow.
Might have to
Speeding?
sell my Lambos and go get a fucking minivan.
Oh, that's crazy. Yo, that's crazy.
And what is like the limit? How much? I mean, how much above the limit is the jail
It's
time?
right now what they're talking about in 50 miles per hour or more.
Yeah. Okay, that's a lot.
On the posted
That's a
speed
lot.
limit, or anything over 100 is mandatory 30 days, first offense.
Wow.
Gonna meet Nick tomorrow. Tell him I said what's up. I seen him. He was on a plane. What, yesterday? That's what's up. Ask him if he's still playing like new listing shitters and stuff where he gave up.
But like on-chain stuff.
No. I introduced Nick to new listing coins like on Bybit.
Ah,
And, like,
okay.
the first time he did it, he made his monthly goal in like 30 minutes. And then I think I had him hooked ever since.
How is the volume on like Frag and on the newer ones? Because lately I haven't been looking a lot at these newly listed coins.
Not too bad. I mean, 22 million. I've seen people trade in WG like fucking 1 million, 5 million volume coins. So 22 is fine with me.
Yeah, 22 is fine.
Yeah, that's okay. Talking about syrup, let's see what is syrup doing. Oh man, this 57 looks like a bearish. Didn't somebody long syrup at 50, or we were just discussing it?
I think I
Somebody longed, I think, from 50 cents.
think I'll syrup. Let's have a look at the chart. It was
Syrup
quite.
will. It
What
was.
time for the chart? Oh, there I can see. 4 hour. I don't know when I longed it. I did long it at one point though.
This will be one of the easiest range reclaims above 57 cents on syrup. Basically, that's where you had the bearish rejection, and it is the point of breakdown from this range where we traded in the group this range from 57 up into 65 and so on. If not, we're looking at 50 cents again if it rejects, and then if the big one should be somewhere around 45 cents. Basically, I think let me see if the daily trend and a lot of POCs, even a 1 month untap at 48. So 48, 52, 45. No, I don't even need that. We're just going to put some alerts from 49 into 47. There is a daily fair value gap here also on syrup. And see if something happens and we have something very aggressive. Usually it had only one test of the daily trend here in this drop into the 39. So usually I play the second retest of the daily trend, which is 48 cents. Lines up with the fair value gap, lines up with the 0.7, so you're in a discounted area. 786 is at 45, so basically this daily fair value gap would be interesting to hold. And this is the internal sell side liquidity here. And I'm going just to mark this in case something happens in the weekend or over the next 48 hours.
Let's see if BTC can actually help our SEI short. If BTC rejects at 110 and dominance goes up, oh, this fucking C short will actually be
Yeah,
a
coins
juicer,
will
actually. Probably more than what I was assuming. For the C short, let's put TPs at 23.94 for a 5.5 RR. Yes. Let's do that.
Very nice.
I'm not moving stops break even just yet, though.
Coinbase started selling right now.
Yes, dominance go up, Bitcoin go down, shorts fucking print. Entry on SEI, the POC 2797 is my current entry. I have not added. I don't even know if I will add if we go higher. Should be
No, I think
2790. I don't have 2790. I don't know what POC that is. I might be missing one. You guys have so many different exchange POCs. It's too much for me. I don't know how you guys fucking do it.
Yeah, I use the free.
Just
Bybit.
use
Yeah,
one, man.
I made the line smaller and I just cut it down.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
use
that's what
the
you use Bybit,
Bybit, Binance,
Binance.
and Coinbase Spot.
Yeah, but not
I've-
like these ones don't have Coinbase Spot, so I think it's not even showing that, right? Like, what happens if for example you put in a POC and the coin doesn't have it? It's just not going to show it, right?
I don't show it.
Right. Yeah, it just won't show it. That's all.
Oh, okay. Whoa, Mr. Mog.
Oh
Let's
my
see.
god, we're fucking that was so tight. Oh my goodness, that shit was so tight.
Potentially.
No, the BTC C2R. I don't know where you guys are putting your stops, but it didn't. The C2R on BTC worked. It's just the RR was 1.4. I don't know where you guys put your stops at, but it should be the range low if you're gonna play this C2R on BTC for the 15.
Yeah, let's look at it because there are some let's say standard type of scenarios where you don't want your stop loss to be too tight. Pocky said range lows, so you were playing 109.5 and then the stop loss was this.
No. Before
Oh.
that trade, the C2R, yeah, that's a C2R. You would be filled in profit right now. So with stops break even because we made a new higher high. Yeah, I think you guys are playing that C2R way too fucking tight.
I mean, if you're putting your stop loss into not even under a 5-minute wick or something like the last 5-minute low, then it's a little bit hard on Bitcoin. Even if you're scalping, you should look at the 5-minute low or the range low, as Pocky said. Usually, the range low, 15-minute range low would be 108.5. So it would be something like
Yeah, here,
this.
let me see if I could find
It's like a 1-hour trade.
yeah, here, this is exactly this is what your C2R would have looked like on BTC. Reason why I didn't share it's because the RR is not. You have to have oh my goodness, you have to have an RR minimum of 2. Bragg just fucking died.
Oh
Whoa,
no.
Whoa.
are you cutting it?
Yeah, I got stopped out break even on it. But I actually lost money on the fucking slippage.
Yeah,
Jesus.
yeah,
Fuck.
that happens with the coins that aren't. Even on like the ones that are Pengu, for example, when Pengu dropped here, it had like almost 200 million volume only on Bybit. I think on Binance even more. When Pengu dropped here in this, and a lot of people got even with 200 something million, you get in a 15% move down, you get slipped. So you just need to take in consideration that you get slipped even with stops at entry. So Are you guys still here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, okay. It all went quiet. And so let's look at Norman. Norman, I suppose this is Pocky's setup. What we were talking about. So 108.455 as a stop loss, and this is Norman's setup with 109.088 stop loss. So Norman, now I'm going to say that if you took this setup, you traded this. Yeah, you didn't. You didn't. So I was trying to say that if you took this setup with this stop loss and you made money, you got lucky. You were on the right side of the momentum on the low time frames, but you were lucky because this stop loss is actually too tight. As we were looking at, because when you're there, you don't know if you will get a higher high or not. That's why the stop loss should be under the 15-minute range lows. How Pocky showed at 108.4. How I showed how everybody would play that. Let's say at least this. Something like this, because basically you're executing on the 5 minute, let's say, and you don't know that this will be a higher high or this will be the range break. The range breakout price can still do something like, for example, you enter here, it can still chop around, but the idea is not invalidated. From a strictly from a TA point of view, the idea is not invalidated only if the last low forms. So I mean something forms a lower low, and you're looking at the last 15-minute or 5-minute low or the range low or something like that, because basically you are betting here that the range low will not get tagged because if this is the breakout and the expansion from the range, let's say this was a 15-minute accumulation range in the context of we're going up, then the breakout will be aggressive and you will not reach back down into the range lows. That's why the range lows is always the invalidation on this kind of plays. So this, from my point of view, this is too tight of a stop loss for your future setups. This is the technical setup that you can replicate. That's the whole idea of you need the data and statistics on technical setups that you can replicate and over and over again. This, if you replicate 100 times more often than not, the stop will be too tight. So be careful with stops.
Okay.
I'm gonna head off, guys. I'm gonna go back down to the beach and get an ice cream.
Wow.
Nice. Okay.
I'm gonna go get a caramel ice cream.
Let's go, bro.
Yeah. Cool.
Have,
Right,
have fun, man.
cool. I'm sure I will. I'm sure I will. I'm gonna go play Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles with my little nephew as well. He's obsessed with it. He's obsessed.
All right, mate. You have a wonderful time at the beach and your ice cream.
Yeah, I will do, and I'll speak to everyone probably Monday. I'm back in the back at home Monday, so we can run it up.
Yeah, I'll be back Monday too. Maybe we could just do like a little Monday stream. Tomorrow's gonna be a fucking movie for me.
Oh yeah, 4th of July tomorrow, ain't it? Sick.
Man, I forgot, man. You have 4th of July.
Yeah, I have a pallet of fireworks I gotta burn, so
Get together.
Wow.
it's gonna be pretty fun.
Get some pictures and videos, Pocky. I'd like to see
Oh,
them.
you already know, Meta Glass is in full effect. I'm charging them right now.
Nice. Cool. Right, I'll speak to everyone soon. Have a good
Later,
weekend,
brother.
everyone. Sweet. Bye.
I'll see you.
Bye.
What you doing, Flex? You staying for a little bit longer?
If you're staying, I can stay like 13 minutes more, and then I will have with, I think DB. Yeah, DB is going in 45 minutes, and then I'll be streaming again with the JD in 2 hours. Also,
Yeah, I'll hang for another like 12 minutes. We can get off at like
yeah,
10:30 Eastern.
yeah, that's good. Also, tomorrow I will be doing a workshop. I need to post in Friday stream because we still keep the Friday stream, the afternoon one. ITNS today the markets are gonna close early, right? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, Pengu's coming back. I don't know if today the US market closes early or tomorrow it's not even open, I guess. Pengu is getting bid, yeah. CA is pretty weak now.
Yeah, it's doing pretty good right now.
Down 1%. I mean, you're up 1%. It's down like percent
Yeah,
from your
yeah,
entry.
it's pretty good profit so far.
What's the TP, the 263?
I moved the TP actually extremely. I'll probably take partial at 27.10 and then full TP at 23.94.
23.94. Whoa.
Yeah, I wanna fucking print. I want to print. I'm gonna print on this short.
Yeah, that's a 15% move. Well, that can happen if Bitcoin rejects. I mean, alts will, but
Oh
for
yeah,
now it's not
oh yeah.
rejecting for now, man. I don't know what they're doing here.
Yeah, it's like invisible levels or something.
Yeah, it's. I don't even. Where are
Market
the?
makers.
Let's see where are the hyper liquidation from the API. 1125. Market will close at 1 Eastern today. That's good. So it's a half day. TradFi going crazy. Whoa. SPX almost at 6.3k. The futures are at 6.3. The cash one isn't there yet. Yeah, it's going crazy. So I see. I don't know how to this new tab. What is this? Oh, okay. I wanted to check the real-time liquidations, but like the liquidation tape. Let's see.
What, Ag Trader?
Kiyotaka is.
Oh,
Let's see. Not this. They said they updated again with some kind of like you have a like some kind of like aggregate like egg trader, but with inside their platform. But I don't know where it is. Well, we shall see.
yeah.
For example,
We might get the. Let's see if we get a bullish retest, like a 1 minute div at 109.530. If we really want to risk it, I don't.
look at this, man. Yeah. ITN is asking 111k where your DCA BTC short until all-time high.
No, it wouldn't be a DCA. It'd literally be a one limit type of deal. But I don't have a confirmation now to play 111. We already printed a 5 minute and a 1 minute bearish divergence. There is no 15 and there is no 30 right now. So the short would be much higher risk.
Who knows? Maybe it even goes to take out 112, and it's and then you get the div.
Actually, you know what? Where is the 886 real quick? Let me take a look where that is. I think the 886 is right where. Yeah, I mean we that's what we just rejected off of, motherfuckers. We rejected off the 886. I was like, what we reject off of right now? Yeah, it's literally like one entry. It's so tight. Like I don't, but we don't have a confirmation right now because it's literally less than a percent now. It's 0.88. 0.88. Yeah, we literally just tapped the 886 twice. So you could look at it as like ping pong levels. So 886 and 1095. Basically which level holds or which level rejects, and that could give us like our directional move. Of course, of course. 1 second. Somebody's here at my house. 1 second.
Even if we drop from here, let's say we drop from here into 108 or 107, we almost took out 111. So in theory, I would have liked to get filled. I mean, I don't have limits yet, but let's say I would have liked to get the retest of 107.5 to 106.5 before this move up into previous month high here. So kind of invalidates that whole idea, but I will still look for pullbacks for coins on the 4 hour. See what we can get. I'm still running the hype long. I'm looking at where could I actually compound for like the fourth trade in a row on it. So this should be the low. Okay. Let's go on the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour green support lines at 30. It's what is this? 3% range.
Oh, Flex, I gotta head out, man. The water slide is being delivered and set up right now for the party. I gotta go.
Man, you're really doing it. Water
Oh yeah,
slide.
we go all out for 4th of July. I got a 30-foot water slide.
Wow, man, that's crazy.
It's a big boy.
The big boy. Okay, let's finish. Let's finish this stream, guys. Thank you very much for joining.
Yes, thank you guys so much. Happy holiday, 4th of July.
Yeah, happy
Have
holiday
fun
for
this
it.
weekend, guys. I'll see everyone Monday.
See you.
Later,
See
brother.
you.
Thank you so much for streaming
Bye.
too.
No worries, man. I'm here. Thank
See you
you.
guys.
Goodbye.